Studying in the United States is taxing on your financial strength. With sky high tuition fees, rent, and other miscellaneous expenses, it's best if you have some sort of financial aid coming your way.
Every year, thousands of students looking to study abroad hunt for information about scholarships that are available to them. And we are here to help you do just that. Hi, welcome to Leap Scholar, India's #1 study abroad platform. We help to secure an education loan to study abroad students without any collaterals with the best education anywhere in the world. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with all the changes taking place in the student universe. In this video, you will find out about the top scholarships the US offers to international students. Scholarships are awarded to students based on their academic ability and performance throughout the years. A scholarship can be of two kinds. Full, that pays for the student's entire tuition fee, living expenses, his books, etc. And the second one is partial, the scholarship that pays only for tuition fee or some other part of your expenses. So let's have a look at some of these scholarships. In Lux, Shiv Dasani Foundation Scholarships. These scholarships are for students who wish to study abroad in North America and display exceptional talent in their field of choice. These scholarships are not offered to every stream of study, so do check if you are eligible or not. The maximum scholarship amount offered is $1 lakh US. Now let's look at some details of this scholarship. If the total funding required, including tuition, one-way travel and living expenses is more than $1 lakh US, the students must prove that they can cover the residual expenses at the interview process. Acceptance of any other scholarship, teaching assistantships, and part-time jobs can only be done after approval from the foundation. For more information, you can visit the website www.inluxfoundation.org. Fulbright Nehru Research Fellowship. The Fulbright Nehru Research Fellowship are master's fellowships which are offered to outstanding Indian students who want to study at US institutions. The areas for studies can include arts and culture management, environmental science, higher education administration, international legal studies, public administration, public health, urban and regional planning, and women's studies or gender studies. The other details of this scholarship are: candidates must have at least 3 years of professional work experience and must be committed to return and contribute to their communities. The grant benefits include J1 visa support, round-trip economy class air travel, funding for tuition fees, living and related costs, and accident and sickness coverage, as per US government guidance. There are several other forms of fellowships available under Fulbright Nehru program. Make sure to check out this website for more information: www.usief.org.in. The Hubert H. Humphrey Fellowship Program is a Fulbright program that allows professionals from developing countries to pursue non-degree graduate study in the USA for a period of 10 months. The fellowships are awarded in the fields of agricultural and rural development, communication journalism, economic development, educational administration, planning and policy, finance and banking, HIV/AIDS policy and prevention, human resource management, and many more. Other details of this scholarship are: candidates have to be proficient in both written and spoken English and will be required to take internet-based tests of English as a foreign language. The Humphrey Fellows can undertake a master's level work directly related to their professional needs and fields of interest. However, no degree is awarded to them. Hubert H. Humphrey Fellow Program needs a valid TOEFL score. Visit www.usief.org.in for more information. Stanford Reliance Dhirubhai Fellowships for Indian students. Reliance Industries, along with Stanford GSB, created the Stanford Reliance Dhirubhai Fellowships for Indian students to provide deserving students the opportunity to study at the Stanford Graduate Business School. A total of 5 fellowships are awarded every year. The scholarship amount awarded is approximately $150,000 distributed among the awardees. Other details of this scholarship are: the fellowship provides financial support for the cost of tuition and associated fees for the 2-year MBA program. Fellows are expected to return to India and work for an Indian organization within 2 years of completing their MBA. You can find more information on this website. Rotary Foundation Ambassadorial Scholarship. The Rotary Foundation grant can be used to fund scholarships in 6 areas of focus: peace and conflict prevention or resolution, water and sanitation, maternal and child health, basic education and literacy, economic and community development, disease prevention and treatment. The minimum scholarship amount is $15,000 and goes up to $30,000. Other details of this scholarship are: these global grants must be sponsored by 2 Rotary clubs, the host country where the student is from and the US where the student is going. You can find a lot more information about this scholarship on this website. Akhtar Ali H. Tobaccowala Fellowship. This fellowship was established in the memory of Akhtar Ali H. Tobaccowala, a 1952 graduate of the Booth School. The fellowship offers tuition support to students of Booth's full-time MBA program. Number of scholarships awarded are 2. The scholarship amount awarded is $25,000. Check out this website for more information: www.thetobaccowalafoundation.org. American University Emerging Global Leader Scholarship. The American University Emerging Global Leader Scholarship is aimed to help students pursue a bachelor's degree in the US. Students must be active in civic and social activities. This scholarship is aimed at students who plan to improve the under-resourced and underserved communities back in their home country. The scholarship is offered by the American University, Washington, D.C., and is offered to any field of undergraduate study at the university. However, only 1 scholarship is awarded every year. The other details of this scholarship are: this scholarship covers all billable expenses like full tuition, room, and board. The scholarship does not cover non-billable expenses like cost of books, airfare, and health insurance. It is renewable for a total of 4 years of undergraduate study. You need to showcase continued academic performance. You can always visit their website for more information. You should definitely keep an eye on these scholarships and apply to as many as you can. There are a few lesser known scholarships that are also available. You can find out about them on the internet. If you feel like you need help navigating these scholarships, then sign up for the LEAP Scholar program and let our experts guide you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post such videos.